Okay. Hey everyone. So I'm not like the other YouTubers, just keep saying that a lot of you have been asking me to do something. But if you look at my video where I did moving randomly a 3D object, I think I used navmesh agent before. It was years ago, and I really got a lot of comments about how to move two-dimensionally. And to be honest, right now I'm really tired. I just finished studying, but I thought like maybe I could try to do it. And I haven't been using Unity for quite some time. So yeah, I'll try to do it. I might be a bit slower, but maybe you'll learn with me, along the way, how to approach such things. So I created this script here. I just want to check that it's working. So yeah, I have this script. I have just a game object. Let's create something 2D. Um, let's say sprite. Okay. Yes. No, you know what? Let's do it on a canvas. Or no, okay, I'll use a sprite. A sprite. Okay, let's say this is our background. And let me just see where it is. Okay. It's gonna make it bigger. Okay, it's really horrible now. Okay, so we have, I'll make it even bigger, so I don't want to see that black thing. Okay, this is the background. I'll make a ground, or not necessarily a ground. I'll create the object directly. Okay, so let's call it I don't know, just moving object, and I'll attach this script to this object, and I'll make it like, I don't know, 40 by 40 maybe. Let's say 15, 15, no, 5. Okay, make it red, and let's try to do this. So first, of course, we'll need something like a speed variable. I'll need probably a direction. So direction, and I forgot really how to do the random. Okay, yeah, okay, like this. Okay, so there are really several ways, or even more. Like, we could use a rigid body, we could use transform, we could use Transform.Lerp, we could use really a lot of things. And I'm not really sure which one to go through yet. But let's say, okay, let's say we want to choose random direction every 3 seconds, and then we just increase the values accordingly. So for that, we could use a enumerator. Let's call it timer, I guess, or change the direction. Okay. not gonna be able to explain everything at this moment because, like I said, I really haven't didn't plan anything. I just saw a comment that was posted right now, like 30 minutes ago, and I just, so I'll try to show you guys, and I really hope that it's gonna be helpful for anyone who asked. Let's say we want to change direction every 3 seconds, and then we could do like direction dot x equals random dot range from -1 to 1. So it could be 1, it should choose -1, 0, 1. Do the same thing for y. And then basically we would just multiply some number with, we could multiply the speed with the direction, and then we could move accordingly. So like something like, first let's call the coroutine. I forgot how to check if it's working. Let me Google this really fast. Unity. Yeah, oh, sorry. So running, let's assume it's false, and then here running equals true, and running so basically if the coroutine is not running, then we call it again, and to call it you have to start coroutine, do this. I really am not very fluent with the syntax right now. Okay, so this simply changes direction. Okay. Now to move it, we could do something like Transform.postion plus equals direction times speed. Something, okay. Okay, so it's because it's a vector 3. Then let's make this a 3D vector, and now we should be good, assuming the z is always 0. Okay, this is basically 0, 0, 0, and we're only using the x and y. Let's see what happens if I run the code right now. Okay, speed is 0, and I have no idea where the object went. This is really something that I'm not sure what to do right now, because I got no idea why I can't see it anymore. Okay, I shouldn't have done. Okay, so 5, 5. Let's see, let's do this. Okay, it's too fast. 0.1. Okay, let's make it even 0.01. Okay, something obviously is wrong because it goes inside the object. So I'll just want to check if the axis, okay, this is the Z axis. This is, okay. So, but I have no idea why this happens, to be honest. It's, okay, try this. Okay, make it even slower. Wait, is it an integer? Okay, no, it's a speed. It's a float, sorry. Okay. So now it moves randomly, as you can see. I just want to check if the random could actually make it move upwards or just for 0. 1 second. I think this should be 2, although, but it says, let's make it shorter, not 3 seconds, I mean 1 second. Let's see. Okay. And obviously, if you wanted to move in just one direction, simply here, if you want to move only along the x-axis, just keep the x-axis. If you wanted to move along the y-axis, you just keep the y-axis. And I could also try to do another thing. Basically, we could do Vector.3. Let's call it destination. In fact, I'll initialize this here. And let's make this destination equal to our position plus direction times plus direction, okay, and times like something like 5, let's say. Basically, it's direction times distance in order to get the destination. And then let's try something different. Transform.postion equals Vector.Lerp. This function, I think, can give you a smoother a smoother movement between 2 points. I'm not sure if t is time or is it for like. Okay, I'll use it as time. And yeah, I'll try what happens now. Let me just check how much time is it running for. What does it show? I got no idea. Now, okay, 14 minutes. So let's see. Way too fast, right? No, okay, let's see. Okay, how about this? Let's make this not 0. Let's make it 1. No, 0, 1, 0. Yeah, I'll just make this 3 dot top, and I'll make this like 3 seconds again, 4 seconds, so you could see if you could see the effect actually. So yeah, let's see. Wait a second. It's too bad. I'll decrease the distance to maybe 3. No, let's say 2. And also I'll change this here because public variables override what's in the code. Even that's too much. I'll use just direction maybe. Okay, so that's another way, but something that I really can't remember how I did it or how it should be done, but should be even smoother than this. No, not this smooth. Yeah, it's too deadly. Let's see, times 2. I hope it comes back. No. Okay, that's 0.0, 0.5. I don't want it to go all the way up. Yeah, I hope you noticed it really slows down when it reaches the target. So that's a second way. What time is it now? 18 minutes. I think I'll do another example. Let's add a rigid body now. 2D rigid body. And here we could not move it with the transform. And basically you want to use a rigid body when the object might collide with other stuff in the environment. You know, if you use a transform.position and you change the position through this way, it will ignore any collider and any other object. So if you want it to interact physically, you have to use a rigid body. So for that, let's do this. Let's create a reference for it. RigidBody2D. So many noises outside, I don't know what's happening. But so we have the destination. I don't know if I'll use it now. Let's do this. You could do add force. We have add force, and basically we do the direction times speed, or rigid by add velocity. I think no, for 2D there is no velocity. There is add force and velocity. Okay, it's dot velocity. Direction. No, okay. it's raining. Of course, this is not efficient what I'm doing right now, but just for the sake of simplicity and to do it faster. So basically, wait, what is this? Oh, I'm stupid, sorry. Okay, so basically I'm just creating a 2D vector off of our direction vector, and we should use one of them at this moment. So the first one will add the force in the direction specified here, and here you can change the force mode to either force or impulse. If I do, you could try them on your own. Let's go with the force at first, with the impulse, sorry. Okay, I figured it out. It's gonna be way too fast. I could increase I could decrease this even less. Okay, maybe it's too slow. No, it's still too fast. I'm not sure. I'm not good with physics at this moment. My eyes are dead. But I don't know if I increase the mass, it will. Okay, I'll do force. Same, it's going too fast. You could experiment with the numbers, but yeah, you have these two options. Oh, sorry. This should be the direction. You could experiment with the numbers and figure out what are the right values for you. Now, okay. This is going way too fast, right? I should probably multiply this with time, delta time. Because it's gonna go really fast. When you change the velocity, it shouldn't count to any mass or whatever. I could probably increase the drag like to 25. Maybe it will slow down a bit. Yeah. So yeah, this is, as you can see, this is with physics. If there is a collider, I think it should collide with it. Let's add something. Let's call this something, I don't know, wall 1, make it green. Of course, disable this, and I'll make it like this here. I mean, if it doesn't ignore it, then I'm gonna be embarrassed, but you get the point, you know. I might have missed something. Let's see. Oh shit. I don't know why shouldn't even. Okay, it's because of gravity. I just make them kinematic. Oh, wait. Got the most important part. Okay. Now it shouldn't just go through. Well, it just already did, you know. So I don't know what to tell you right now. Yeah, I know why. Again, I keep missing the important stuff. Okay, now it works. That's 25 minutes. Yeah, I've showed you 3 ways to do this through transform. The position, you change the position, or you do this Vector.Lerp function. You could either add force to the rigid body or change the velocity. Pretty much these are the most like this is how you could move an object in 2D, and this is how you also do it randomly. Anything else, you really have to just change some variables here and there. You could have like different destination points. You could have an array of different waypoints that the object should go to, or you could just make it like this, completely random. Anyway, I really hope that this was helpful. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for everything. I haven't been like active for the past probably 3 4 years, but like every now and then I just have this moment where I'm like, yeah, I just want to make a tutorial real quick. um, have a good day, night, whatever you are, and see you next time.